Hi guys, welcome to our online science experiment for this week. The science experiment is just rain clouds in a jar, and it's going to go along with our weather and cloud lessons that we've been talking about during class. You can either do this at home in your spare time, or even if you want to do it during Pride time, that's fine too. I have all of the supplies you need. We discovered that cumulus clouds are just the big white cotton ball clouds that you see on like a bright sunny day. So when the sky is blue, sun is shining, and you see those big fluffy clouds, those are cumulus clouds. Those will be represented by the shaving cream today. And then a little later on, you'll see how we change the cumulus clouds into cumulonimbus clouds. And the cumulonimbus clouds are actually the rain clouds. So when it rains, and sometimes they turn gray and they're streaked a little bit, those are the cumulonimbus clouds. So that's when it rains. So all you need, like I said, shaving cream for the cumulus clouds. You're going to need some food coloring, and then an eyedropper, and then just water. I like to have a plastic cup or styrofoam bowl for one, and then you want to make sure you have a clear jar or clear glass that you will be able to see through. That's really important for this project. So if you're doing this at home, I will let you pause and take a break to go get your materials, and then just press play again when you have your materials set up. Alright, so by now you should have all of your materials ready to go. What you're going to do first, you're going to take your food coloring and your small bowl of water, and you're just going to drop about 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Take your eyedropper or a plastic spoon or straw, whatever you have on hand, and go ahead and stir it up until it's a deep color. So you can see how my water is deep purple. So for this experiment, this purple water will be the raindrops, okay? Alright, now here comes the fun part. You're going to take your shaving cream, shake it up really, really well. You're going to take your glass jar, and you're simply just going to, didn't shake it up well enough, I'm just going to spray some shaving cream in there, alright? The shaving cream represents the cumulus clouds, and this water right here represents the atmosphere or air that the rain will fall through. What you're going to do next, you're going to fill up your eyedropper with some rainwater, and you're just going to drop it around the clouds. When you're dropping, make sure you cover the entire cloud. This is the process of the cumulus clouds becoming cumulonimbus clouds. Depending on how large your cloud is, it will vary with how much rainwater it takes. If you have a really, really big cloud, it's going to take much more rain than if you have just a small cloud. You will eventually begin to see the rain start falling. As you can see, my rain cloud has already started to rain. I'm going to add some more raindrops so you'll be able to see what happens next. It will just continue to fall. Okay, to recap, you had the cumulus cloud that was then turned into the cumulonimbus cloud by the raindrops or molecules collecting, and then the rain fell down to the ground. And then the water cycle will eventually begin again. And that's where I'm going to leave you with the water cycle, and we are going to talk about the water cycle next week. I hope you enjoyed making rain clouds in a jar as much as I did, and I will see you back here next week for our water cycle experiment.